Hello from Slide Nerd and hello from Weaves. What's up, folks? Google released the Android Studio, which is a modified version of IntelliJ IDE for making Android apps. So what we are gonna do in this video is gonna download this and gonna make our first Hello World app and see how that thing looks on Android Studio. So you guys ready for that? So there you go, developer.android.com. I'll be putting up this link inside my description on this video. You guys can download this from there. Alright, now you guys go here, click download Android Studio over here, and then it says some terms and conditions. Just click I accept, download it. So there the download has started. Alright, so at this point I have my Android Studio on my desktop which has been downloaded. So here I'm gonna go ahead, install this. Click next. Detect whether Java development. Okay, now it's going to try to find where my Java is installed. Now at this point, if you're getting a message like Java is not found, then you should probably go and set the path or the class path. Now you can go and see that in my Java tutorial list. I have shown that how to do the path and class path over there. So click next over here. Install for anyone. Yep, install just for me. Now again, the best place to put these kind of softwares is always some other drive other than C drive, because when you format the PC, it's gonna ruin everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it somewhere else inside my, I'm gonna call Android Studio over here, inside my E drive. Click OK. Click next. Install. At this point, I just want to see the details. I'm going to say show details. Alright, fine. Click next. Start Android Studio. Click finish. Alright, now at this point it says you can import your settings from a previous version of Android Studio. Now since I have not installed it any time ahead, I'm going to just select the I don't have a previous version. Click OK on that. And now as you guys can see, Android Studio is starting up. Looks pretty good. Alright, so here I'm going to simply say new project. Application name, I'm going to call it Hello World Android. Package name is going to be slidenet.wivs for my case. Project location, see users, Android Studio projects. Alright, I'll keep it there for now. The minimum API I'm going to select as let me keep the settings as it is. I'm going to just keep the other settings as it is and click next over here. Custom launcher, well, I shouldn't have taken this option, but never mind, I'll just click next now. Blank screen. Now as at this option here, you guys get a lot of patterns over here, which are the common use design patterns in Android. I'm going to select blank activity over here. Click next. Call it main activity. Again, click finish. So at this point, my Android Studio is trying to build my app. Alright, so at this point, my Android Studio has started over here. It shows me some tips over here. I'm just going to close this project. So here, as you guys can see, my Hello World app is over here. So here, if you guys open this up, you can see the various folders inside. Hello World Android is over here. You have your source. Alright, so the first thing I need to do here is select create an emulator. Alright, so now you guys can set up your manager by going to tools, Android, AVD manager over here. This allows you to set up the different devices that you want. You can create a new device by saying new over here. Or you can go to tools, Android, SDK manager, to manage the different platforms of Android that you have inside your device. You can install new platforms by here. And here, if you go to the main folder inside your Java over here, there is your class, main activity, right over here on the right side. Inside RES, you have your resources. Inside your layout file, you have your activity underscore main.xml file, which is your complete layout. And as you guys can see, the benefit of using this is you have different controls posted nicely over here on the left side, where you can use all of them. Alright, so here, if you guys see the emulator, my app has finally started. There you go, Hello World using our Android Studio. It was not that hard, right? So I hope you guys have understood something out of this video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, comment, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.